this video, I'm going to talk about how you could use a part number, in this instance F1003, clone it to create a new one. So you're using the whole part number as a template to create a new one within the PIM. So, and then later, this is leading me on to a bigger subject, which is all about variants. So effectively, what I've got to do is check that part number, F1003. I'm going to create something similar to this one, which is a cashmere correct net jumper. So within this, I'm finding the part number. Here it is. And as you can see, it's got lots of information. Not all of this will be cloned, but a lot of it's going to come across. So up here within application platform, you've got some internal system functions. So in this instance, I'm going to choose the clone option. I'm going to actually then, and you can see already it's copied a lot of the data around, which I can go through and edit, after here or whatever. But effectively what I'm doing is 100. I want to call this part number 100, 11. I will change this just to keep some consistency. I don't have to at this stage, but effectively I'm just doing this to do that. Save that down. And now I've got the basis of a new part number. It's got no, so what hasn't it got? It's got no images, so there's no digital assets associated with this. We've kept the categories because it had a supplier. We can change this supplier, but it's brought that across. This one is actually related to where it's going to update if I can create this product. Got relevant tags and whatever. So now I'm in a position to start working on this product going forward. Hopefully that's shown you how you can clone one part number and start editing the details within it as part of this exercise.